Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for anyone who uses the internet, VPNs. You might have heard about them, but do you really know what they are and how they work? Well, stay tuned because I'll explain everything to you in less than 4 minutes. What is a VPN? First off, what does VPN even stand for? It stands for Virtual Private Network. But that sounds a bit technical, right? Let me simplify it. Imagine you're browsing the internet from your home or a coffee shop. Normally, your internet connection is like an open highway, where anyone can see where you're going and what you're doing. This could be your internet service provider, the websites you visit, or worse, hackers. A VPN, on the other hand, is like a private tunnel that hides you from view. When you connect to a VPN, all your internet traffic is encrypted and routed through a secure server somewhere else in the world. It's like driving through a secret tunnel where no one can see you. How does a VPN work? Alright, let's break down how this all works technically. When you use a VPN, your device first connects to a VPN server. This server could be in any country you choose. Once connected, two things happen. First, your IP address, the unique address that identifies your device on the internet, gets replaced with the IP address of the VPN server. This means that websites and online services you visit will see the server's IP address, not yours. And second, all the data you send and receive is encrypted. Encryption is like scrambling your data so that no one else can read it without a special key. So even if someone manages to intercept your data, all they'll see is gibberish. Why use a VPN? Now you might be wondering, why would you need a VPN? There are a few key reasons. First, privacy. A VPN keeps your online activities private from your ISP, advertisers, and anyone else who might be snooping around. Second, security. Especially on public Wi-Fi networks like those in cafes or airports, a VPN protects you from hackers trying to steal your data. Third, bypassing geo-restrictions. Ever tried to watch a show or access a website only to find out it's not available in your country? With a VPN, you can choose a server in a different location, making it look like you're browsing from there. And finally, avoiding censorship. In some countries, the internet is heavily censored. A VPN can help you access blocked content by routing your connection through a server in a different country. Choosing a VPN and conclusion. Now, if you're thinking about getting a VPN, there are a few things to consider: speed, server locations, ease of use, and, of course, privacy policies. Some VPNs are free, but they might come with limitations, so do your research before choosing one. To sum it up, a VPN is a powerful tool that enhances your online privacy, security, and freedom. Whether you're browsing at home, using public Wi-Fi, or trying to access content from another country, a VPN can be your best friend. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next one.